Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a clean Python environment and installing the core libraries. This avoids version conflicts later. Once done, collect and organize labeled face images into folders per person, because training needs consistent labels. Make sure to test a single image through face recognition to confirm Dlib and models load. Then, write a small data loader that reads folders, resizes images to a fixed 160 x 160, and returns NumPy arrays ready for embedding extraction. Next, you extract face embeddings and train a lightweight classifier. The why is simple. Embeddings convert variable images into comparable vectors. Detect faces in each image, align and pass them through the pre-trained network to get 128D vectors. Then normalize and train an SVM or KNN, SVM for precision, KNN for quick additions. Once trained, persist the scalar, embedding model config, and classifier with Dlib so your app can load them instantly without retraining every run. Finally, integrate everything into a Flask or Fast API app with endpoints to enroll users, perform recognition, and return JSON results. For real-time webcam, capture frames, resize to speed up detection, and run embeddings asynchronously. Make sure to cache recent embeddings to reduce repeated work. Add logging and a simple health endpoint. If accuracy lags, augment training images with varied lighting and poses, and adjust your distance threshold. That single tweak often fixes false matches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.